Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a crystal Christmas pillar candle holder. And so what you're going to need some of these snowflakes. And this is a snowflake pack with rhinestone and silver. And this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some of these Teardrop pendants, and they are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass hurricanes. I have this fluted shape here at the top. If you can't find the fluted ones, just the regular hurricane will do. So you can use either one of them. You also need a pack of these clear plastic appetizer plates. You're going to need a pillar candle. It can be one of these battery operated candles, or it can just be a regular traditional candle, but it's up to you. Now I'm going to be using some thread here, and this is just some gray thread. If you don't have any gray thread, you can use some fishing line and that will work. I will be securing this with hot glue. So I'm going to be using hot glue on this project. If you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will include those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this crystal Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And I love having the snowflakes dangling there like that. You can use some white thread, you could use some fishing line, whatever you like to use to suspend the snowflakes and the crystals. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.